everyone! I'm here today to talk about an incredibly important topic: how we, as ship owners, can maintain our vessels without harming the beautiful ocean that surrounds us. Let's dive right into our first point: minimizing biofouling impact. Biofouling refers to the accumulation of algae, barnacles, and other marine organisms on our ships. This not only affects the performance and lifespan of the ship, but also impacts the marine ecosystem. The solution? Implementing eco-friendly anti-fouling coatings. These coatings are designed to prevent organism buildup without releasing harmful toxins into the water, ensuring our ships glide more smoothly and the ocean stays clean. Next up, waste management. When maintaining ships, it's crucial to properly dispose of waste materials. Whether it's old parts, cleaning fluids, or general refuse, we must manage these materials responsibly. By following strict disposal procedures, we prevent harmful substances from entering the ocean, thus safeguarding marine life and keeping our waters pristine. Moving on to energy-efficient equipment. Using tools and equipment that consume less power not only cuts down on our energy costs, but also reduces our overall carbon footprint. This is a win-win for both our operations and the environment. Energy efficiency in maintenance activities means less fuel used, fewer emissions, and a cleaner ocean. Lastly, compliance with environmental regulations. This is non-negotiable. Adhering to both international and local environmental laws isn't just about avoiding fines. It's about being a responsible part of the global community. These regulations are designed to ensure that all underwater maintenance practices are sustainable and that we're all contributing to the health of our oceans. To wrap up, maintaining our ships is essential, but doing so in a way that respects and preserves the marine environment is equally important. By following these guidelines, using eco-friendly coatings, managing waste properly, utilizing energy-efficient equipment, and complying with regulations, we can ensure that our operations are sustainable and environmentally friendly. Thank you for tuning in, and let's all do our part in keeping our oceans healthy and thriving.